Right, so like I said, on the back of most dish, this is a Dish Network dish, and you got this bolt right here. All these are 11 millimeters. Okay, so you loosen this up, and then get your pivoting, and then loosen this up on the collar. Like I said, basically this is basically 11 millimeter. You know, you shouldn't need no more than 11 millimeter on a. It's a little different on a Dish Network. I mean, on a DirecTV dish, it's a little bigger. You know, but if you got a basic tool set, you can get it loose. You try your basic snips because you want to cut the wire off your drip loop. And you got wires in here. Some people say, I don't want to mess it up. You can't mess it up. If it's your house, you can't mess it up. Just remember that. And a lot of times you have your wires. That's my lovely wife right there. You have the wires that's been strapped to the gutter. So you just cut that off of there. That's one reason why I'm doing this. I got to fix my gutter. Cut that off of there. And now you got it pivoting all the way around. Alright. So, next step is we take this sucker off. And there's a reason why I left the wire on here. Some guys, oh, just cut the wire and throw it. No. Okay. Let's just not be stupid. Okay. So we just take it and we can lower it down. You always want to work smart, not hard. Take and lower it down. And then you say, well, I got my ladder there. Oh, okay. Well, your ladder becomes a what? A slide, man. There you go. Now you got your DirecTV dish sitting safely on the ground. You come on down here, and we can cut it off this gutter right here. That's what we're gonna do. So to stop pulling the gutter down. There we go. Now we all good. We got one more part. And we got these feet screws. You got 1, 2, 3. We go to our basic tool set, like I said. Everything is pretty much the same. It should be a 13 millimeter. Just a second. And always find a cool day to do this. If it's not cool, you ain't gonna be able to sit. This is a 12. For some reason, I don't know who put this dish together, but they was playing games. These jokers do not match up. Everything is usually can put this whole dish together with 5/16 ratchet. Somebody playing games putting this one together. So what happened when you sub out your work? You heard me, Dish Network. Stop subbing out your work. Alright. So there we go. Yeah, man.